If you want your woman to bring her that water, that kpekus water, that Jerusalem water, you have to do these 3 things that I want to mention. Yes. If you don't do this, don't expect that woman to produce water, especially those women who are hard, whom their hormones are not working well. Yes, there are women whom their hormones cannot allow them to pour out that sweat, that kpekus water that you as a man requires to, to pump well, to knock very well. Yes, because that water that comes out from a woman's kpekus is like a fuel that helps the car to work. So if you want her to be pouring out water, do these 3 things. Number 1 is, before you start to knock your woman, use your hand and remove her clothes. Yes. When you remove her clothes by yourself, you are giving a signal that it's about to go down. Yes, every woman loves it so much. It's another foreplay of its own. But a lot of men don't get it. A lot of men, they don't like it. Don't you know that when your woman uses her hand and remove your boxer, there is this sensation you used to feel, right? As a man, good. The same way women feel when you use your hand and remove her on her bra, her this, it makes her to be in that mood. Yes. Even some women, you will see that if you put your hand inside the Jerusalem ground, there is a little water coming out. This is what women need, no matter their age, no matter how long you are in that marriage. Yes. The second thing that we make her to pour out water is using this particular finger. Please, I mean this. I don't mean all of them. Using this particular finger and use it well. How do you use it well? Gradually slide in. Turn the soup. Come out. Then, on top of the clickly, run round there. Round. Up and down. When you do it, make sure that you are doing it right. It gives that woman sensational feelings. Women values the beginning. Yes, women values the beginning of the knacking than the end of it. The third thing that you need to do to bring out that kpekus water, that sweat, is make sure that as a man, yes, you go to her best style, not your own style. Go to her best style. Every woman has position and style that she values. That is why it is advisable as a father, as a man, ask your wife, mommy, sweetheart, where is your best spot? Where is your best button? What is your best style? That woman must surely tell you. My own best style differs from another woman's best style. Yes, that is how it is naturally. So as a man, pay attention to these 3 things that I made mention. These 3 things will help you. Remove her clothes by yourself as a man during knacking. Make sure that you make use of this finger very, very well. Play with it. Yes. Do that for play very, very well with this finger. Another one is try and find out her best style. Then you go into her best style. Even though you are knacking her in a style that is not her best, before you say Jack, pour out your own end product, make sure that you knock her in her best style. So you cannot know her best style unless you ask questions. See you guys again in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.